Hello and welcome a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to do this one. So we do Ctrl Z and delete. So you do, this is extruded when you do it, and I have faces and delete faces. Delete faces, Ctrl Z, X, delete faces, and then you go to 1 and go to wireframe mode and choose edge, so not then you cut. This is easy way to do that, and we go so. Then we have all the edges selected. No? Why did I not take this one? So now, and we go to 1 and zoom in like so, zoom in like so. Then we go shift and we go to bridge edge loop here, and you see this is something. Then you go to preference and you choose smooth. So if you don't have it, so choose smooth, then you choose number of cut. So I choose so, and then you have it. This is more easy to do with this. So we do it. This is when you have a smooth object, but it's also work with this object also, a cube, and we go yes, edit mode, and we go free, and we take wireframe mode, and we go here, no, there, and we go shift A, bevel edge loops, and we take it smooth also, and we take it so, and then you have it have a some round shape here when you have a cube. So it's working with all the object, and you don't have to make a smooth object like this to make it work. It work even. This is easy way to do it, I think. Instead for drag, instead of you dragging it one, then you have to mark loop and so. So this is where a easy way to do cup handle to coffee cup and so. So please subscribe and like this video. So we see you in next video.